will have the arrival of the chief guest, Sri P. Dongel, ADGP Prison, which will be followed by the contingent, and followed by the parade inspection by the chief guest. Soon after, Nishan Toli marches will be performed right after the parade inspection by the chief guest, which will be followed by the national anthem. We request all the relatives and friends of the trainees to kindly stand on their feet during the national anthem. Every uniformed personnel are also directed to give due honor during the Rashtriya Salute. Subsequently, oath taking of today's passing out period will be pronounced by Sri A. Kongjaki Singh, Superintendent, Manipur Central Jail Infal. Adugi hek makha tabada asigi maruweba passing out period asigi oath taking ase ekogi ikai kumnaraba Sri A. Kongjaki Singh, Superintendent, Manipur Central Jail Infal na pathopigani. Adugi hek makha da ekogi Tha taruk chukna chathariba training asida angam athoi tanabada prize phangchiba singbo prize yen thokpagi matam laujagani loina adu hek makhada adu hek loire haraga ekogi asigi function asigi chief guest na magi chief guest ki mok waro thambigani arwebada ekogi word of thanks ase Ikai Kumnarabada Matikcharaba Sri S. Thoudam, Superintendent, Manipur Central Jail Sajiwa, word of thanks, Thambigani. We request all the relatives and friends of the trainees to kindly stand on their feet during the national anthem. Every uniformed personnel are also directed to give due honor during the Rashtriya Salute. Subsequently, oath taking of today's passing out period will be pronounced by Sri A. Kongjaki Singh, Superintendent, Manipur Central Jail Infal. Shortly followed by prize distribution to be handed over by our chief guest, after which our respected chief guest
मैं परमात्मा की शपथ लेकर प्रतिज्ञा करता हूँ कि मैं भारत के संविधान के अधीन बने गए कानून का सही निष्ठा से पालन करूँगा। मैं मणिपुर प्रिजन में रहते हुए समाज की सच्चे मन से सेवा करूँगा। भारत के राष्ट्रपति और उन सब अधिकारियों का जिन्हें मेरे ऊपर नियुक्त किया जाएगा, सबकी आज्ञाओं का पालन करूँगा। मुझे ज़मीन, समुद्र अथवा वायु के रास्ते जहाँ कहीं भी भेजा जाएगा, मैं खुशी से जाऊँगा। मैं कानून को निष्पक्षता और सच्चे ढंग से लागू करूँगा। मैं देश के अंदर एक सुरक्षित माहौल बनाए रखूँगा। अपने कर्तव्य का पालन करते हुए मैं हर नागरिक से अच्छी तरह पेश आऊँगा। मैं हमेशा राष्ट्र और लोगों के हित में काम करूँगा, चाहे इसमें अपने जीवन का बलिदान ही कोई ना देना पड़े।
prize distribution
March past me.
price kilo.
Yes,
Tha taruk chupna chathakiba Manipur jail warders ki training asida athau ngam tanabada mami phangkiba ngasigi ahanbada male warders singi marakta athau angam gi mami phangkiba sing maming mathang pathok bigani ikai khumnar bai khoigi chief guest Sir P Dongel ADGP prison handover to bigani USC, best in unarmed combat. Sri Saugajam Santosh Singh, warder. Sri Waikom Beki Singh, warder. Sri Huidrom Danakumar Singh, warder. Mayamsu Kubak Puminabu. Manga Subada, best in musketry. Muhammad Mansur Shah, warder, son of MD Abdul Ghaffar of Kairang Awang Nikai. MD Mansur Shah, warder. Taruk Subada, best in law. Sri Salam Lucky Boy Singh, warder. Sri Salam Lucky Boy Singh, warder. Led Subhada best in discipline. Sri Kumantem Jibananda Singh, warder, son of KH Gambir Singh of Bamon Likai. Sri Kumantem Jibananda Singh, warder. Muhammad Taslim Khan, warder. Makhatabsina Equigi Andaki training Marakta female warders Trani Twegi Marakta Atwangam Tanabada Mami Pankiba Singi Nupigi Maming Patopigani Ahan the best in PT, best in physical training. Kumari Arambam Omita Devi, female warder, daughter of A. Ibosana Singh of Konta Kabam Mayalikai. Kumari Arambam Omita Devi, female warder. Miyam Sukuba Kubisi. The best in drill. Kumari Waikom Suchitra Devi, female warder, daughter of W. Chandramani Singh of Mongjam Mamang Likai. Kumari Waikom Suchitra Devi, female warder. Ahum Subhada best in weapon. S. Masowong, female warder, daughter of S. Honpam of Laupong village. S. Masowong, female warder. Mary Subhada best in musketry. Shangmila Sankil, female warder, daughter of late Thamnok Sankil of Chalong village. Shangmila Sankil, female warder. Mga Subhada best in law. Wangkem Renuka Leima, female warder, daughter of W. Joy Meitei of Ladik Yambam Likai. Wangkem Renuka Leima, female warder. Taruk Subada, best in discipline. Nengnailam Khongsai, female warder, daughter of late Sothong Khongsai of Old Lambulen Jail Compound in Phal. Nengnailam Khongsai, female warder. Loina Arwebeda Waina training Asigi Wana Pulapki Waina best in overall Takiba Nasigi Penet Gi Penet the Suluchin Biriba Sri Sarangtem Bopero Singh Water, son of S. Doneshwar Singh of Thambalkong Saban Likaina, best in overall Gi Mana Panki Sri Sarangtem Bopero Singh Water. Sumaina ngasigi angam mathau tanabadam mami phangkiba singi prize distribution matang asida losinjari loina na hoji may we request our honorable chief guest of today's function, Sir P. Dongel IPS additional DGP prison, to kindly deliver his chief guest speech.
Ngasi hanbada smaina aphaba matam piba ekhoi isorbu thagadle magi nungsibadagi loina ngasi pha training phajana chatharega. We have come to this stage aduga I would also like to congratulate you nakoi congratulate to ninge maramdi training se phajana karisu akaiba leitena aduga phajana progress oina with good progress you have completed the training aduga would like to congratulate all the prize winners also aduga ina haining base nakhoi laibak phabane smaina thabak phangbagi sigi se yam achoba responsibility sune isorda nungsirega thabak se phangbane loina mak mi hojik se thabak phangde adu ekhoi gi thabak se ekhoi gi lai gumbane ekhoi gi is like our God, because from ekhoi thabak dagi ekhoi loina respect phange society da all the regards that we get from society